LanguaSitter is a language school that offers tailor-made language learning for busy professionals. We work in the educational sector, which means that usually our meeting rooms double as meeting rooms for our business and as rooms for language training. So we were facing problems in terms of is the room available or not. People were interrupting meetings all the time. We've tried other solutions that are available on the market. Our IT guys actually put together a solution of our own, but none of the other solutions that we used gave us the opportunity to just walk up to a room and see whether it's available or not. We've started using Joan this year, so in 2018, and we're excited about it. We noticed that meetings weren't interrupted anymore, which is a great thing. We also could more easily allocate the time between one and the other meeting to use the dead time in between. Plus the whole team was better organized. Everybody knew which rooms are available, which rooms they can use and for how long. I would absolutely recommend Joan to any company. Ultimately, what it comes down to is how we use our time and how we control it. And since we've started using Joan, we have become more productive, and that's what matters. The design is great. It's also really easy to set up. There are no cables, there's no hassle. You have it up in minutes and you have it running. One special feature that we also really appreciate is the security aspect. We deal with a lot of corporate clients, and for them it's really important how we handle their data. One other feature that's really good is the warm welcome. So we can let our customers know, our clients know when to come in, which room their meeting or their language training is at. So Joan actually fits our needs perfectly.